BHRT pellets play a crucial role in helping women attain and maintain optimal hormonal balance. Hormone fluctuations, which often occur during menopause or as a result of aging, can lead to a range of disruptive symptoms. These BHRT pellets work to provide consistent hormone levels, reducing the roller coaster of symptoms associated with hormone imbalances. This stability can significantly improve a woman's overall well-being. Many women experience challenging symptoms due to hormonal changes, such as hot flashes, mood swings, night sweats, and decreased libido. BHRT pellets offer relief from these distressing symptoms, allowing women to regain control over their lives and daily activities. The benefits of BHRT extend beyond symptom relief. Women often report an improvement in their overall quality of life. With BHRT, they feel more energized, focused, and emotionally stable. This newfound vitality can empower women to embrace life with renewed vigor and enthusiasm. Hormonal changes can also impact bone density, increasing the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. BHRT may contribute to better bone health by increasing bone density, reducing the risk of fractures, and supporting long-term skeletal well-being. Emerging research suggests that BHRT may have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. By maintaining hormonal balance, BHRT could play a role in reducing the risk of heart disease, further enhancing its potential benefits. When considering BHRT pellets, it's crucial to make informed choices. Seek out experienced practitioners in clinics with a strong track record in BHRT. These experts will provide personalized care, tailoring BHRT plans to individual hormonal needs and health goals. Thorough assessments, including hormone level testing and medical history reviews, are fundamental in creating care plans. Additionally, reading patient testimonials and reviews can offer valuable insights into the experiences of others who have undergone BHRT. Scheduling a free consultation with a reputable BHRT specialist in ABQ is the first step on your journey toward hormonal harmony. For women in ABQ seeking a natural solution to hormonal imbalances, BHRT pellets hold the promise of hormonal stability, symptom relief, and enhanced well-being. Achieving optimal hormonal balance can lead to a better quality of life and may even have potential benefits for bone and heart health.